Japanese food is one of my favorite cuisine, especially yakitori. I love heading down to Tori-Q and have myself a quick and affordable meal. But do you know that you can easily replicate the taste of Tori-Q at home? I think their most sought after menu is their chicken meatball, so we're gonna do it and we're gonna nail it for sure. We'll start by making the yakitori sauce. We're going for a sweet and salty sauce, and we're going to improve the depth by garlic and ginger, plus scallions. So we will just start slicing the vegetables.
Scrape the skin of 1 knob of ginger. Crush both ginger and garlic. Slice scallion. Place the ingredients into a pot. Combine soy sauce, mirin, sake, sugar, and chicken bouillon into a bowl. Place about 60 ml of water into a cup and add in 15 grams of cornstarch and mix well.
Soy sauce by itself already packed a ton of umami, but whenever I tried Tori-Q, I always noticed an extra kick of umami. So I decided to try putting chicken bouillon into it. So when I put the chicken bouillon, I found my answer.
Now, place mixture into the pot and simmer for 15 minutes. Stirring every now and then.
Just let the sauce simmer for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to put the cornstarch slurry and let the sauce thicken. It will take about 5 minutes. Honestly, I think scallion is actually quite optional here. I don't think Tori-Q put it at all, but I'm just going to put it in because of the extra flavor it's going to give to the whole sauce.
I've also tested without ginger, garlic, and scallion. It doesn't taste as good, but it actually tastes more similar to Tori-Q. Drain sauce in a strainer. Using a spatula, squeeze out the leftover flavors from the scallion, ginger, and garlic.
While our sauce is simmering, we're just going to prepare the chicken meatball. Our choice of chicken part here will be chicken thigh. So we're just going to slice it and dice it very finely.
Mince garlic, ginger, and scallion. Roughly chopped silken tofu. Place the ingredient into a mixing bowl. Add egg and panko breadcrumbs. Mince chicken very finely with skin on and fat untrimmed to add more flavor. Place it into the mixing bowl. Add salt, cornstarch, and sesame oil and give it a nice thorough mix. Lastly, divide meatball to equal size and start shaping.
The flour, egg, and breadcrumb act as a binder to hold the meat shape together. They also help to add moisture to the meat and prevent the meat protein from shrinking and being too tough and dry. But that by itself still won't give us the most perfect and moist meatball. The Japanese found an ingenious way to help retain the moisture of the meatball by the means of silken tofu. The tofu not only retains the moisture, it also adds a nice light and fluffy texture to the meatball.
In a pot, add oil and fry meatball for about 8 minutes till deep golden brown.
Now that we have prepared everything, we're just going to skewer the meatball to the wooden stake. We're going to skewer 3 to 4 at a time. After you're done skewering, you're just going to dip it into the sauce. After you dip it in the sauce, we're just going to cook it directly above the flame and let it get kissed by the flame. And with that, your meatball has been kissed by the flame. Make sure to clean it up immediately as the sauce will harden when it cools.
Place rice, meatball, sliced seaweed, and optional sesame seed as garnish. The seaweed really do add some really nice flavor to the meatball, so don't skip it. Then drizzle the sauce over the meatball and you're done.
Let's try it. The sauce tastes almost identical to what you find in Tori-Q, but this meatball, like, you can taste the scallion, you can taste the ginger, the garlic, everything is in there. With that said, like and subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you.